So let us discuss errors in power. In the previous session we discussed about errors in measurements which are having power 1, but now sometimes there will be some physical parameters which can have powers. Like if you take a square, area is a physical parameter, area is equal to length square. So if you make a error in the length, there will be error in the area as well. So how do we calculate means? We will understand this using an example. Let us say there is a square whose side is 20, so the length is 20, so area will be L square. 20 square is equal to 400. Let us say 1% error is committed in the length. So the length which was supposed to be 20, the actual length now measured is 20 plus 20 into 1 by 100 is equal to 20.2. So the area will be L square, it will be 20.2 square is equal to 408.04. So this is what we got after measuring, and this contains error. So what is the percentage error in area? It is final minus initial, 408.04 minus 400 divided by 400 into 100, it is 2.01%. There is a formula to calculate this. Whenever error is committed in these type of physical parameters, you can take the power as the coefficient and write 2 into percentage error. Okay, so 2 into 1%, it is 2%. So that means that if there is a cube, if there is a you are trying to find the volume of a cube, it is a cube, and you committed while calculating the side of the cube 1% error in side, then how much error has been committed in volume? It is 3%. 3 into 1%, that is 3%. Here we need to see this formula is applicable only when the error is very small, like 1%, 2%, 1.5%, 0.5%, like. But when you take little larger values, let us see what happens. In the same question, let us say 10% error is committed, then L dash is equal to 20 plus 20 into 10 by 100 equal to 22. So new area will be 22 square is equal to 484. So the percentage error will be 484 minus 400 by 400 into 100, which is 21%. If you use the formula, because 10% error is committed and this is area which is length square, which is 2 into 10%, 20%, you can see that these two values are not matching. When the percentage error is less, the answers are pretty close, but when the percentage is more, the answers are pretty far. So if there is a physical parameter z equal to a cube into b square, the general formula is percentage error in z is equal to 3 times percentage error in a plus 2 into percentage error in b. If in the formula it was b to the power of minus 2, here minus 2 will come. So if it is a positive power, you need to add. If it is a negative power, you need to subtract. But remember, it is percentage error in z. It is not the direct error, it is the percentage error.